Hello! To create a CSV data source, go to the Data Sources menu. In the screen that appears, click on the New button, then choose the connection type. In this case, CSV. Next, enter the name of the connection. For example, Departments. Click on the Next button to configure the CSV files to be used. To do this, click on the Browse button. In the window that opens, upload the CSV files you want to use. Then select the uploaded file that will correspond to a table. Conversely, selecting a folder allows you to reference all CSV files. Finally, click on the Select button to save the data source. You can now access the Schema tab to view the available tables or profile the data. By clicking on one of the tables, you can preview the data to validate the data format. In the Connection Settings screen, in the block concerning data format options, the FMT parameter can be modified to use a semicolon as a data separator if necessary. Similarly, you can also disable the first row as a data header or change the character set of the file in the charset field. The Description and Security tabs allow you to document the source and configure access rights. Thank you for watching this video.